At Cultures for Health, we offer 3 different types of kefir: powdered kefir starter, milk kefir grains, and water kefir grains. Today we're going to be doing part 1 of a 3-part series on how to activate, maintain, and flavor your milk kefir. We love milk kefir because there are so many things that you can do with it. You can use it like a yogurt, and you can use it like a cheese. So your options are endless. Let's get into our activation so we can get to the end result. The first step to activating your milk kefir grains is going to be to combine this packet of grains with a cup of milk. So let's go ahead and do that. I like to give my packet a nice little shake to make sure that all the grains and good culture settle to the bottom. So that way when I tear it open, nothing explodes and all of that stuff. So we're going to add our grains to our jar, and then we're going to top it off with a cup of milk. We're going to go ahead and give our grains a quick stir. I like to stir my grains in just because it helps them all get moistened and so none are floating at the top and could possibly mold or invite bad bacteria into my ferment while it hydrates. This is going to sit on your counter for 24 hours or until it's thickened. It may thicken before 24 hours, but if you get to 24 hours and it's still not thick, go ahead and change that milk out anyway. What you're looking for when your milk kefir is fully activated is for it to be consistently thickening within that 24-hour time period. Once you have activated milk kefir grains, you can move on to the next step in the next video, which is maintenance. But first, let's take a look at what our activated grains look like and what we're looking for. So how do we know that our milk kefir is active? How do we know that it's culturing and fermenting within 24 hours? There's a few things that I look for. The first thing that I look for is bubbles on the bottom of the jar, and they'll be right around the edge and they'll start to form. And that's a sign that your grains are alive and active and breathing and doing what they're supposed to be doing. The other thing that we're going to look for is our jar tilt test, just like our yogurts. So you can see this breaks away from the jar very nicely. And you can start to see too that where it was slit, it's starting to separate a little bit. So now we have an even bigger space and separation in our grains. This is a sign that our grains are happy, healthy, and active. So when you're feeding every 24 hours and you're getting this result within 24 hours, that means that your grains are ready to move on to the maintenance step. And that's it. Once your grains are culturing your milk successfully and you're starting to see signs of some happy, healthy grains, you're ready to move on to your maintenance step. Check out video 2 of our 3-part series and video 3 of how to flavor to get to your end result. We love milk kefir because there's so many things you can do with it. And if you're not sure or you need ideas, check out the links below for some recipe inspiration. And don't forget to share your results with us. We love watching you guys develop new recipes and learn and share. So tag us on TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook, and keep fermenting.